if you think first and then invest, that's fintech. If you invest first and then think, that's crypto. And I said, okay, I'm out.
Go and do the things that scare you, because actually it's going to be super rewarding.
I think the reality of being an entrepreneur is that every single day you have to be brutally ruthless with yourself about every single decision you are making. And the end of the day, also be okay to live with whatever decisions you take.
Education is very important because the technology is very new. It has potentials which appear and are kind of crafted by the practitioners. So the technology is really a tool, and if you don't understand the tool, you will not let every developers or entrepreneurs make the best of it. So education is very important, and the Ethereum ecosystem is also moving so fast and bringing new tools and new concepts so fast that you have to keep educating the developers and also the executives to make sure everyone keep updated.
I think people should first focus on what is that you're building, what problem are you solving, what is the product, and then what is the market, and talk to the customers. Spend all the time between your product and the customers